Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna be opening 7 cars in total. Basically, it's 6, well, not 6, 5 NASCARs and 2 Matchbox cars. The only reason it's 7 instead of 8 is because of this one right here. It's a special 70th anniversary, and the silver, orange, black, and white colors from Matchbox. And these ones will be scattered out different cases this year, so technically consider them a chase car because they probably, in my honest opinion, be worth something someday. But, I don't ever plan on reselling any of my cars anytime soon. I'm just saying that because whenever there's a special diecast car out, even though it's not a chase car and it's like a special paint job of some sort from like Hot Wheels or Matchbox, it's gonna, be more online. That's probably just a basic fact of collecting cars. So yeah, anyways, with that random facts and stuff out of the way, I think it's time that I open some cars, and, yeah. If you're seeing nothing, it's because I'm opening the cars. Sorry, I'm just moving a few quick things around. So yeah, anyways, with all these slight, pauses out of the way, I think it's time to, finally start opening some cars. It's probably better to start with the NASCARs only because they take so long. So yeah, I will be back shortly with the 7 of 8 cars opened. Bye for now. Until the cars are open. Package. That's really interesting. The packaging is slightly different on these. Kind of. Oh, that looks super cool. Alright, I have, 4 of the 7 cars finally out. So there's the first 4 out, finally. Sorry, was just, talking to myself about some, really unique things about these, NASCARs, and that some of them are really cool looking. And, to be honest, I kind of like all of them. They all look really cool. But the one that looked really the most coolest to me was that Air Force One so far.